Welcome back to everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use UnetBootin software to make a bootable pen drive to install any flavor of your Linux and any other OS. Now let us see how to do that. Open Firefox and type UnetBootin software. You can see that list of search results. In that results, click on UnetBootin. You can find the UnetBootin software available for Windows as well as Linux and Mac OS also. So let us open UnetBootin software. I already installed in my Ubuntu OS. Let us open UnetBootin. So this is the interface. Here you can see the distribution and version. Under distribution, you can see a big list of Linux distribution softwares. Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Puppy Linux, Arch Linux, CentOS, Fedora. There are so many Linux flavors available. Choose anyone which you want. For example, select CentOS, and in the version you select whether your hardware is 64-bit or 32-bit and what kind of bootable pen drive you are going to create, like a live pen drive or which version. Select the right version and then you can see your pen drive. Select USB as the medium and your pen drive as the destination location and then click OK. So this software will automatically download the particular version of the OS in your pen drive. Once the process is done, your bootable pen drive is ready to install. So make your pen drive as the first bootable device. So restart your system and install the operating system which you have selected, like CentOS or Fedora, whatever you created. You select that, your OS will be installed in your system. This is like a very good software for installation of Linux distributions and other OS. In case if you have downloaded ISO image, you can select other option like disk image and select the type of image as ISO and select where is you downloaded your ISO image and then pen drive, click on OK. So your bootable pen drive is ready now. That's all today video. Thanks for watching. In case any comments, write your comments. If you like it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.